Data synchronization. Data synchronization is a process which synchronizes important assets into your device to save internet bandwidth. After login to iKonnect, Data synchronization screen appears. The red exclamatory sign shows particular data is not synchronized. To synchronize, click one by one on every widget to synchronize data. Now click on Go Home button. How to update any data asset? To update any asset's data, click on the menu. Click on Synchronize Data. To update folders data, click on it. That's it. Subscribe now for updates and press the bell icon to get notified.